Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this beard and mustache trimmer, body hair trimmer, whatever you want to use from MANSPOT. Thank you guys for sending this. This is actually, I've opened this up already because I wanted to see this, and they're not kidding around. This is a really nice kit. It actually feels very premium. The material on this is extremely nice, very easy to grip, very ergonomic in your hand, waterproof, rechargeable. Comes with several different attachments. They attach here with 1.5 blade, but they can simply pop off, and you've got your standard. These are ceramic blades on this. I mean, it's got a nice lithium ion in this guy too. Extremely quiet. LEDs show the charge, lasts about 20 different uses before you're going to have to charge this guy up, so it'll be great for trips, easily change out the blades. It does come with everything you see here in this kit, including the other additional blades. You've got a large size blade there that's a dual-sided blade, another one there. They'll let you get your 6 and your 12, 12 and 9 and your 3 and your 6 on that side there. So you actually have a lot of different options there, a little brush and the USB cable to charge this baddie up. But I mean, this is a really nice option. Feels very comfortable. It would make a premium gift for someone if in your family, or if you've got some kids going off to college, because this is waterproof. It's a wet or dry, so you can use it in your face if you're doing it in the shower, if you're going to want to do it outside, if you just got out of the shower and have wet hair, dry hair. Extremely comfortable, really nice. Loved using it so far. It's an excellent product. Thank you guys again for sending it.